Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be episode 1 of restoring the 1963 Ford F100 custom cab. We have a lot planned for the truck. We want to make it look almost as new again. We do have some stuff we got to do, replace the transmission, fix some pinholes, which you'll see here in the video. We have to replace the passenger side door, passenger side fender, and the hood. Nothing too big. We have the spare parts for it. So stay tuned, enjoy the series. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below like what you guys want to see more of with this restoration, and let's get on with the video. So looking at the truck, it's not all that rusted. We have a couple little pinholes going through it. Nothing too bad. It is pretty clean in here. So we do know we're gonna have to change or swap out the transmission. We do not have third gear. Is what it is. We have 2 spares. Other than that, it's pretty well just clean in here. So as it's looking right now, fix a couple pinholes. I'm gonna figure out what's going on with this here next. The fuel level sender, figure out why that isn't updating the gauge. It just stays on E. Eventually we're going to swap out the transmission, change out that passenger side door and fender, and then the hood. So let's start working on this next. Well, that's not a very good ground. I appreciate it though if you stayed out of my way. I'm not gonna finish pulling out this fuel sender. Just gonna snug these back down in crisscross pattern. I would like to show you what I just saw. So here, you have one connection, right? Here, you have other connection. What are these 2 wires? They're cut from here and here. So we're probably gonna need to run new wiring for that. Not that big of a deal actually. Shouldn't be that bad. Like something probably got up in there. Definitely chewed on it. Oh yeah, it's not gonna start. But nope, still doesn't fix it. Oh, that's probably why it doesn't work. Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, I don't think that holds air anymore. I don't think that can hold air anymore. Alright, so I took off the old float. We got a new one on order. So I'm just going to put this back in the tank for now. And we're going to put this back together. Now we've received the float, the new float for the fuel level sender unit. So now what we're going to do is replace it. We're not going to see if it works. We'll save that for a future episode. I'm currently working on another project right now, and I've borrowed some parts just to see if we can get it to run. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and then we're going to work on this. Alright, so now All we're going to do is grab the brand new float, put it back on just like that, and put it back in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Let me know down in the comments below what you really liked about it. I look forward to working on this 1963 Ford F100 and making it look great and run great again. We do have a lot of things to do to this truck. Replacing a hood, fender, door, restoring up some parts on it, fixing up some rust holes, the usual kind of a thing. I do have another project in the works right now, trying to get that to run, and then stay tuned for that video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.